Hello, I'm Michael Brieda, Plant Manager.
And I'm Casey Fiddler, UAW Local 51 President.
We're here at the all-new Detroit Assembly Complex Mack.
Welcome. We'd like to give you a tour.
Come on with us.
To give you some highlights of our facility, it's just under 800,000 square foot. There are 5 floors. It's about a 12-hour process from the beginning to the end. The paint shop process primarily comes for body in white. The car is in white metal. It goes through phosphate e-coat, putting the first layer of corrosion protection on.
We're at Electrocoat. This is e-coat stage 1. This paint that is electrochemically applied through our 87 anodes that are in the tank that's charged by the DC rectifier. Well, it charges the paint to the car, the unit that's present in there. You got about a 3 to 5 minute dwell time through the system.
Then we go down to sealer, where we're sealing the cars.
So we use sealer anywhere that there's an edge or an overlap of sheet metal to prevent leaks or rust or vibration, anything that would allow water to get in or outside of the body. Sealer automation consists of 28 robots in total. There's 22 sealing robots and then 6 overhead robots that open the lift gates and the hoods.
Then we put our prime layer on, our base, and our clear.
Primer is basically right in the middle of the entire paint shop. Having a nice even layer of primer on there allows our base coat to adhere to something that's nice and smooth and flat. And then that durability protection is important for the long-term viability of our products. In this booth, we have 8 robots. 6 of them are always functioning at a time. Well, all 6 of them put paint on 100% of our cars. So every single one of our cars that goes through the booth gets this gray primer on it. Further downstream, we have our two-tone booth, which puts our black roof monocoat on the car. About 40% of our cars will have that black monotone roof. Following that two-tone process, the cars go through an oven where those paints are cured before getting painted with our base coats and clear coats.
We are in the top coat area of paint. We are at base coat 2. So it goes through a dehydration zone. So what happens there is it removes all of the water and solvent from the paint. It then goes into the clear coat zone, which applies the final protective coating to the surface of the vehicle. The final step is the oven, and that's after clear coat. So they cure, and when they come out, they're ready to go outside.
And we come to the end product where we finesse and polish it out.
So this is our finesse department. So the cars come into the station, way down there at station 300, which is our seek and find station. Then after that, it leaves through that station. Then the employees behind that will then have a sander with 3,000 grit sandpaper, deionized water, and they're removing any imperfections on the car. As they move through the station, then you have auditors sitting here looking at it to make sure that everything is perfect on this vehicle. And this department is the guarantee when that vehicle leaves this building, our paint shop, the state-of-the-art paint shop, that you have the best paint job in the world.